Look who I found. It's
Here,
a
buddy.
Don.
Yep. Been in construction prison.
No, it's Harris County Prison.
Nah.
Sorry, it must have been.
Don't know what that looks like.
It's because you was probably drunk when they took you in there.
And I quit that years ago too. Shit.
Well, you're not any fun, Don.
Ain't no fun no more. Making a little slow progress.
You are. You got most of the soffit in.
I ran out. I had to get some
Ran
more.
out.
I just got some more yesterday, so I got enough to finish now.
Got
I got
all
the
the
back done.
siding up.
The back's pretty much almost done too. Thunderstorm.
Trying to be.
Still gotta put some soffit back here, but pretty much done.
A little bit.
It's pretty much dried in.
I bought a new thing. I bought a
Okay.
gimbal for this.
Did it come in?
Not yet.
Ah.
So you guys got to be shaky for a little while longer. We're going to fix that.
Yeah. It won't be long before it's
Now that's all hardy plank, right?
Yeah. Cement fiberboard.
I don't know. That fiberboard's pretty good.
I said cement fiberboard.
Oh, you said cement.
And got to the top of this. I actually used my laser level to make sure I was
Across
the
the
same distance across.
Makes you proud you lived this long. Laser levels and
Oh yeah. Yeah, great stuff.
hardy plank. And
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, that Monarch 10E, the green one, would go right there.
It'd be out
Just
in the yard.
pull it out here and pull it in there.
You can pull it in there, but it would end up in the yard.
See, this gives you nice high ceilings.
Yep. I like that. It was a pain to put the beams up, but I like it. Once it's up, it's good to have.
When the price of
Yes,
lumber comes down, you can put some soffit
See-
up there.
See right there where I cut through the soffit, I got to do that all the way across.
Yeah,
You know, I just put that.
make it a flat wall going all the way up.
Yeah, another knee wall.
It's a good picture for me up there.
Hmm.
A good place for a picture of me.
In the attic? To keep the
No, on
rats
the
out?
wall right there.
Keep the rats out? No, I was thinking in the
You
attic.
build a little shrine for me over here in the
Keep the
corner.
rats out. I thought, you know.
Keeps the rats out.
Yeah, put it in the attic, keeps all the rats
So
out.
you're
there.
calling me a rat now.
Yeah.
Well, why? Nobody's going to get in there. You live out in the middle of nowhere on a dead-end road. With a horse. Here's Don's horse. No, I didn't film the inside of your storage. I'm filming your horse. And where there's a horse, there's got to be a cow. Don's a great big rancher. He has one horse and one cow.
Yeah. Big cattle rancher.
And the cow and the horse are best friends, and they're usually not far from each other.
Anyway, somebody likes to see John.
Afraid to tell you this, but I think somebody's eating your cow.
He's around.
Oh,
Somebody likes to see junk. There you go.
here's junk. Is that your $50 grinder you bought?
Yeah. Parts of it.
You actually bought a rack for yours to sit in.
I built it, but I bought the back.
The back part.
I built the frame.
This is a 40-foot long,
9 foot high.
9-foot high cube.
I've got the pallet racks that I bought used and painted them.
It's part of Don and I's secret project.
Yep. Nice and green though.
Yeah, we've been having rainstorms every afternoon. So much you can't mow your grass anymore, just all wet. Now it's sprinkling on me, Don.
Yeah, straight in now.
You don't provide a concierge umbrella service, sir? Well, sir, Ooh, look, an Axelson lathe. That's a good one too. Hi, baby. Oh, we're back in here with these goofy lights. I can see it. You can't do much in here. Oh no, they're goofy as it is. Look at my screen here. It comes out on the video because of those LED lights.
60 cycle stuff.
Don just got this back from being rebuilt.
Yeah, they dipped the whole coil, but they dipped the outside too. And it peeled it
After
off.
you painted it, so
See, it peels off right here.
did it peel?
A little bit.
That's a stand for the grinder.
See if this gets rid of it or makes it worse.
It's still there.
Still there?
Well, you can walk in your shop now.
Yeah, a little bit.
What you got over here? Oh, that's the Axelson's tulip pump.
Yeah, and the top of the surface grinder. I've been
Been working on surface
cleaning
grinder.
this up and putting some Bondo on it. Get ready to paint it. Clean it all off at least.
Did you take the tank out?
Not yet.
Oh.
That should be
Yeah.
a booger.
Hydraulic tank on it for movement.
Yeah, and that's a booger because there's like 6 hoses that go in there. And all of the pump and everything is attached to the tank.
Well, number them.
So,
You want to screw them back up when you
Yeah.
put it back in.
so that's going to be a project in itself. But it's about ready to paint. Just got a few more quarts of Bondo here and there. Feather it
A
out.
few more quarts of Bondo.
Quarts of Bondo, yeah.
You're going to make it look like this,
Quart.
and then you'll never use it.
No,
Look what he did to this old grinder. He took it apart.
that's the pipe cap
That's
I
the
bought.
cap.
That's about 5
That's
inch.
yeah. This was all messed up and had some weird caps on the end. So he bought some pipe caps and welded them on.
Here's a comparison.
I told you I thought they were smaller.
That's what they had on there.
Yeah,
Something they just picked up off the floor and welded together, I guess.
it worked.
Yeah, did.
Got OSHA off their back. This thing's
I think this thing's going to be scrapped. The bearings are shot in the motor. There's a piece missing, and then that piece is broken. It slides on this dovetail. He pretty much gave me this. But I think this will end up being scrapped. I haven't decided yet. Some of the parts work okay. It's actually an end mill grinder. You can grind end mills. It's a Gorton.
well, if it's just bearings in the motor and
Yeah,
that
it might
one
be.
little piece, I mean,
Yeah.
my God.
Haven't looked at it yet. Haven't concentrated on it yet. So maybe it can be saved. I don't know.
Sure, it can be saved.
But this is,
Unless it's some obsolete part in there.
well, this
that
part will have
we
to.
can't, I mean, it's,
See, that was broke right there.
well,
So we'll have to make that little
it
bottom
could be
piece.
made. Those are easy pieces.
And,
Big problem would be this motor. It's built in. Oh, no, it's not.
no, it's got a separate belt.
You could take it out.
Got a belt that goes down to a motor.
Oh, this is a spindle then. Say this is just spindle.
Yeah, it's a spindle. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Just needs some bearings.
It does turn once I free it up, but it's got a spot in it that it jams on.
Probably hit it with a hammer.
Not me.
You did.
Not me. But see, it's got a motor built in here.
That's just a regular motor.
Yeah.
I saw this and I thought that was
No, no.
special.
No, it's driven by a belt. These are pretty expensive on eBay.
I would have a hard time scrapping that.
These are like $2,400 on eBay when working condition.
I put some stuff on eBay for $4 million and it didn't sell either. So I wouldn't scrap it.
I didn't say I was, but
You're thinking about it.
it depends on what's wrong with it. I haven't looked at it yet. This runs smooth, so I think this is.
It's got a bent shaft over on the end when you're winning it in and out. I wouldn't go too far because that shaft is.
Yeah, that's a small shaft. I can straighten that out. Oh, a little heat. I can straighten it out better. That's not a big deal. That's just an end. Because the shaft itself is.
Yeah, but that's going into something.
See, this big one now. See this big one?
Yeah, I know, but I wouldn't go farther than that. Because that's where it starts. It'll start hitting the inside
probably.
of it.
Somebody probably picked it up with that or something. Who knows? Who knows?
Well, it's going to look nice when you're through.
Yeah. A lot of work I need to do in that still. But then I started building my addition, so that's been sitting there. I'll finish the addition. Get some more of this junk out of here.
Well, it'll work.
I want to redo that brake. I really want to restore that brake. I want to move the surface table into the little room there. Move my table saw into the outside garage. Parts washer in the outside garage. I'd like to move this table out there, have enough room. All my grinders on it.
Should have built a bigger shop.
I think I can squeeze it in. And that should give me a nice, some more wall space to buy some more machines.
I have officially created a monster.
No, I want to move that surface
No,
grinder probably.
you want to buy more machines.
Who, me?
You.
Not me.
Okay, when I first knew you, you had a 10-inch Atlas. I'm lovingly calling it a lathe. That wasn't really a lathe.
If you want to do plastic and aluminum, it's okay.
And that was 2 years ago now.
Yeah, about. It's all Steve's fault.
It's my fault.
Steve's fault. It's all Steve's fault.
You've went from a little bench mill to a good lathe,
Yeah.
a good grinder, pretty good mill, surface grinder, grinding attachment for tools to sharpen,
That's it. That's it.
and it's my fault.
That's it. That's it.
You could sell that and
No,
have more space for tools.
no, that's going in my garage too.
What you gonna do? Tie balloons on it and let it float above the tools?
It'll fit. I already measured it all. It'll fit.
Oh well.
You get all this junk off the walls and put them on the walls in there. Clean this up, make it look like a shop. That's my sanity. Every now and then I just need to ride.
Well, my fellow paramedics would like to thank you for their continued job
All I
security.
can say is I've had a motorcycle since I was 11. I'm almost 70, so
All those
pretty
bu-
much got my use, got the years okay.
all those bugs hitting your head, taking a toll.
Taking a toll.
All right, well, it's looking good.
Yeah.
I got to go back to work.
That's all I have to do.
Well,
But isn't
sitting
that
there
always the
yakking
case?
at me.
Isn't that always the case?
Yep. Well, say goodbye, Don.
Goodbye, peeps.